Major iron ore belts in India. This question is asked individually for 3 marks and all the complete topic for 5 marks. So there are 4 subtopics under this. One by one we will discuss, and each topic individually is asked for 3 marks in exam. So need to pay more attention because every topic is important. The first one is Orissa Jharkhand belt. Here I have used a trick to remember. Generally students get confused with the name of the district, name of the mine. So here from my side I have just given tricks to my students. Okay, first you need to write the name of the state, then go for the type of iron ore found, then the name of the mine, and then district. So here we go. In Orissa we find high grade of iron ore mined from Badampahar mines situated in Mayurbhanj and Kendujahar district. So simple. Similarly, the second one, in Jharkhand we find high grade of hematite ore mined from Goa and Naumudi mines from Singhbhum district. So it becomes quite easy to understand and remember also. The second major iron ore belt in India is Durg Bastar Chandrapur belt. Again, separately this topic is asked for 3 marks. Okay, what are the features or give details about the Durg Bastar Chandrapur belt. So first of all, Durg and Bastar, they lies in Chhattisgarh and Chandrapur lies in Maharashtra. In this, there are 14 deposits of high grade of hematite ore. These ores are fit for our metallurgical industries. Whatever the amount of hematite ore is mined from these deposits, they are exported to Japan and South Korea via Visakhapatnam port, which is in Andhra Pradesh. The third major iron ore belt found in India is Baleri Chitradurga Chikmagaluru Tumkuru belt. Generally students find difficulty in pronouncing or remembering the name, but as the practice will be done, it will be a routine for them. Again, Baleri Chitradurga Chikmagaluru Tumkuru belt. This topic is asked for 3 marks in the board. All these deposits of iron ore belt is in Karnataka. As we have learned about the interesting fact about Kudarmukh mine. So Kudar, as I said, a Kannada word means horse and Mukh means face. So this Kudarmukh mine, which is situated in Karnataka, is a large deposit of iron ore in India. Kudarmukh mines are situated in Western Ghats. The iron ore that is extracted from here, 100% this is exported from India to the different countries. One special feature about this mine is that whatever the iron ore is extracted from the earth, it is converted into slurry, or we can say liquid or molten, and then that slurry is transported through the pipeline to Marmagaon, Mangaluru port. Again, as I said in the beginning, individually each iron ore belt is important for 3 marks. So this is also asked for 3 marks in the exam. Okay, what are the features or the characteristics of Maharashtra Goa belt? So it is important. Maharashtra Goa belt, generally it includes state of Goa and Ratnagiri district, which is in Maharashtra. I hope it's mango season now and you are enjoying the Kesar and Ratnagiri mangoes. So those Ratnagiri mangoes comes from this, that is from Maharashtra. This belt is not so rich in high grade iron ore, but still whatever the low grade of iron ore is extracted from here, very efficiently, properly it is exported to other countries. The iron ore is exported via Marmagaon port situated in Goa. So again I recollect for you, major iron ore belts in India, the complete topic is important for 5 marks, but individually each belt is important for 3 marks. So do revise this topic carefully because it's very important.